Hey ladies, happy Prime Day. Well, Prime Week. This wig is from Nadula Hair Amazon, and this is their Yaki Straight Bob. This bob is 12 inches, 100% human hair. I want to say this is 150% density, just going off of the way it feels. This is a 7x5 lace closure. They are saying that this is an HD lace closure with the bye-bye knots, aka you won't see those little black dots all over the lace. They also did cut the lace for you as well, and they also did some plucking for you also. So of course I'm just giving you guys some close-ups of this wig. It's a simple lace closure bob wig, you guys, nothing special. However, this wig does come with that drawstring, which we all love. That helps to tighten your entire wig cap so that the wig is nice and snug on your head, including the lace area. So as usual, I'm just adding some foundation all over that lace. I'm going to go ahead and throw her on. I'll show you guys how to use the drawstring, and I personally like to add a little bit of spray as well, but it's completely up to you. Okay, so as you guys saw, I did the drawstring. I added a little bit of spray, which is just my preference. Again, if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. I just feel like it helps the lace to lay flat and melt just a little bit more. More is always better. So I'm just adding some more foundation on this lace, and I'm trying to make sure that the lace matches the rest of my makeup as best as possible. You'll also see me going back and forth between the spray and the makeup. This particular lace I felt like was just a little light, so I'll talk to you guys more about it once I get to the styling portion of this wig, because honestly, if I was to wear this one out in public, I would definitely add baby hairs, because whenever I turn to the side, you see the lace. Like when you're looking head on, it looks melted, but when you turn to the side, you can kind of see that the color is off a little bit. So now it's time for the styling portion. I used some of my wax stick, and I'm going in with the hot comb to ensure the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible, and I'll be going in with my flat iron as well to touch up the wig. I do like how they cut this bob wig. It's kind of longer in the front and shorter in the back. I think that really makes a difference. Like, it's not too simple. It kind of adds a little spice in there, I guess you can say. The ends were just a little bit thin as well, so if you'd like, you could go in with some scissors and just cut the ends a little bit. That way they don't look as stringy. Shedding wise though, I didn't have an issue with shedding. It's Yaki hair, so it didn't really shed like that, maybe just like a couple of pieces. I never have any issues when it comes to Yaki hair. The smell, there was no smell, and it also took to the heat extremely well. I would have just liked to see this at 180% density. I also would have liked if the lace could just melt just a little bit more. It was just a little off. Like I said, you guys will notice when I turn my head to the side, you could kind of see the lace a little bit more. So I definitely would have had to add baby hairs if I was going to wear this out. That way I could walk around comfortably, not worrying about if anybody can see my lace. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Again, it's a very simple, basic wig. It's just a bob, 150% density lace closure wig. Nothing too crazy. You can part this lace to the side if you'd like. I showed you guys that in the intro, but you'll see it in the outro as well. There we go right here. So if you want to do a side part, that's completely up to you. If you want to add some baby hair, it's completely up to you. And again, this wig is on sale, so make sure you guys go ahead, click that link in my description box, check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.